Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm so happy you're here, Furry Sif, because today we're making something that's both beautiful and incredibly delicious. It's a Persian-style chicken dish served with fragrant carrot rice, and honestly, I think you're gonna love this one. So, let's get started. First, grab a few chicken breasts and slice them into long, thin strips, just like this. Try to keep the strips about the same size, that way they'll cook evenly. Now place the chicken into a bowl. Let's season it. A little salt, some freshly ground black pepper, a touch of turmeric, a little red pepper, and of course, the ingredient that gives so many Persian dishes their beautiful color and aroma, saffron. It makes such a difference. Now squeeze in the juice of one fresh lemon. That little bit of freshness works beautifully with the saffron. Now get your hands in there or use a spoon and mix everything really well. Make sure every piece of chicken is coated with all those wonderful flavors. Now let it marinate for about an hour. Trust me, it's worth the wait. While the chicken is resting, let's prepare the carrots, peel them, then grate them nice and fine. Now heat a frying pan over medium heat, add a little oil, and a small piece of butter. Once the butter has melted, add the carrots, cook them gently, nice and slow. Now season them with just a little salt, a spoonful of sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, a little saffron, and finally, just a splash of rosewater. Ah, that aroma. It's absolutely wonderful. If you've never combined saffron, cinnamon, and rosewater before, you're about to discover one of the most beautiful flavor combinations in Persian cooking. Keep cooking until the carrots become soft, tender, and lightly caramelized. Now, let's go back to our chicken. Take it out of the refrigerator, pick up each strip, roll it up nice and tightly, then secure it with a toothpick. They almost look like little roses, and they'll look beautiful once they're cooked. Now for the rice. Prepare your Persian steamed rice, the same way I showed you in one of my previous recipes. While the rice is steaming, heat a little butter in a frying pan, add the chicken rolls and cook them slowly. Turn them every few minutes until they're beautifully golden on every side and perfectly cooked all the way through. Now comes my favorite part, putting everything together. Start with a layer of the drained rice, then add a layer of those fragrant carrots. Now another layer of rice, another layer of carrots, and keep going until you've used everything or cover the pot. And let the rice steam gently for about 45 minutes. Perfect, everything is ready. Look at those beautiful golden chicken rolls and that wonderfully fragrant carrot rice. Serve them together, and you've got a meal that's colorful, elegant, comforting, and full of authentic Persian flavor. I really hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Tell me where you're watching from and what country you're in. It's always amazing to see people discovering Persian food from all around the world. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. Take care, enjoy every bite, and I'll see you in the next recipe.